Ben Tracy's piece, but let's talk to our legal analyst, Jeff Hosford from Hosford Law Firm, about the laws here in Mississippi. Jeff, good to have you here with us.
Thank you for having me.
So when I go vote on November the 8th, should I take a selfie while I'm in there, yes or no?
Mississippi has a law against taking a selfie of the voting ticket with name selected. So if you were to take a selfie, I would advise you do it outside the polling place or not near the ballot. Obviously, you don't want to run a wire to the law and have issues where somebody may say you broke the law. So take a little precaution, do it outside the ballot, do it with your friends, whatever you want to do. But while you're in the ballot, that's probably a private time for you and the person next to you. Why not just wait till you're done there and then do it outside and say, I just voted.
In this age of I've got to show everybody what I'm doing every single moment of my life, do you think this is something that states might go back and look at and maybe fine-tune the law, since people really do seem to be sort of documenting everything they do these days?
Yes, ma'am. Obviously, states are going to look at it. I mean, people today take pictures of the food they eat every night. They take pictures of the gym. They take pictures of their car. They take pictures while driving down the road. Obviously, pictures sometimes have an appropriate place and an inappropriate place, and sometimes people confuse those two things. The one thing you have to balance here is if you're taking pictures in a voting booth, the guy next to you may not want his picture and his face in your picture. So you got to take that into account, and that might be something the legislatures think about. But at the same time, is taking a picture really going to harm your voting rights? And that's simply a question for the individual. But I would say in Mississippi right now, it's not a good idea, because the law says if you take a picture of a ballot that's marked, it is against the law.
All right, good advice. Always love to hear from you. If you have a question for Jeff, you can send it to us at legalline@wcbi.com, and we will see you next week, Jeff.
Thank you, ma'am.
All right.